Greetings, I'm Roberto Messa, a Brazilian back-end Java engineer and the creator of ClusterJ. ClusterJ is a servlet cluster system. That is, a cluster is a set of machines, either physical or virtual, that works as one. In each machine, you can install a set of Tomcat servers, and in each Tomcat you will install your web archive, that is your .war. What happens when the client performs a request? It goes to the primary server of ClusterJ, and the primary server asks the secondary server what is the machine more suitable to perform the request. That decision will be based on several factors, just like the RAM memory, the CPU usage, the latency, and time series data. And that request will be directed to the best candidate in the cluster. The machine performs the request, responds to the primary server, and the primary server gets the response back to the client. ClusterJ has its own database, the setup database that will record data such as accounts, the roles of each account, the organizations, and the clusters associated with each organization. So the company that adopts ClusterJ will have a full-fledged system to manage cluster of servlets, will be able to create users to manage the cluster at admin level. The cluster will generate access the same database. That is, if you set up a cluster of 3 nodes, all of these nodes will access the same relational database. And that's it. ClusterJ was designed to be simple, to have servlets being used as endpoints. There is an association one-to-one, one servlet, one endpoint. Servlet has a set of private methods to perform its operations and also to answer the client. And that's it. That's a brief introduction to ClusterJ. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can start monetize quickly, and we'll be able to gather funds to hire developers to increment and maintain ClusterJ and also marketing efforts. You can talk to me on the social media described in this video and also in the ClusterJ site. Thank you very much for your attention.